got home from work this evening, started working on the truck a little bit. I got the subfloor put in, got the firewall cut out, and the subfloor, you have to remember, stays on the frame of the truck. And the seats, the front two seats will sit on the frame of the truck. So you'll still be able to drive the steering column, everything stays with the truck. So the cab will go up and it raises above the subfloor, and you can see the seat channel right here. I actually have all this measured in place, so where it's gonna sit on the truck. You can see how the cab goes above this. I'm gonna trim all this out and make it look nice. For now, it's just kind of cut out the way the old truck was, but I'm gonna touch it up. I did get the dash in it. I'm gonna try to incorporate this dash and all the instruments in the cluster, make all that work, the lights, the wipers, the fuel gauge, all that stuff. On the air inlets on the engine, I'll have another video I'm gonna post of that. I'm basically gonna do a flat top on the top of it. I'm gonna run two 4-inches out the side and a 4-inch out the center, and those air inlets are gonna come over the top of that radiator. And so I ought to be able to incorporate that. Before, he had that big tall air box in here, and that was the reason that he took the dash out of the vehicle. So I think with doing what I'm gonna do, I'll be able to incorporate that. Everything else, all this will clean up, we'll powder coat it and get everything looking new, but for now it's just, we need it here so we can get the roll cage built. And then I've got to get the bed bolted on, get a couple other little things done. I'm gonna start hanging the front clip on it. I may have to build some supports from that seat channel up to hold the front clip and the fenders, because he didn't actually use the core support on the last truck. He built a little square tubing piece. I've got a really good core support, so I want to use it, and like I said, I just may have to beef it up a little bit for when the truck raises so it can hold that weight. It'll actually bolt down to the frame on the front when it's down. So anyway, that's kind of what I got today. It's an update. Please like and subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching.